Hi, Elaine here with WTI. If there's one thing that we cannot have enough of, is kitchen dish towels. I'm in love with the large size of these towels by Candy Cottons. They are super absorbent and can tackle any size load of dishes my huge family throws their way. They hang beautifully on our knobs, hooks, stove handles, really anywhere in our kitchen. They're not only hard-working kitchen towels, but can be used in craft projects, being heavy, durable cotton. I love this pattern so much that I use it to cover my kitchen cushions and made a complete look. Candy Cottons has put life into my kitchen and made it so fun and bright. Plus, there are dozens of beautiful patterns and colors that are so amazing as gifts and will surely match your individual style. So fill your kitchen cabinets with these beautiful 100% kitchen dish towels by Candy Cottons. They have amazing variety, beautifully packaged for gifts, and strong and durable for all your kitchen needs. I love them, I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.